Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can transfer data from the internal storage to the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A23. For that we will need the File Explorer, and there's already one pre-installed. So for that, just swipe out like this so that you're in the app drawer, and here you will find the Samsung folder. And here in the Samsung folder you will find the app, which one is a File Explorer, named My Files. Okay, this app you have a nice overview at first in categories, very nice, so with all your images, videos, audios and so on. But we will need here the internal storage. So tap on internal storage, and now you will see the folders which one contains data you are able to transfer. And I would recommend to you to start now with the pictures and videos you have done with your camera, because these kind of data is taking a lot of storage. So you will find them here at the DCIM folder. So just tap on the DCIM folder, go then to the camera folder, and here you will have all your pictures and videos you have done with your camera. To mark now a file, just long press it, then it's marked. If you want to mark other ones, just do it like that. Or if it's many, just select them all here at the top. Okay, the next step is now to move them, what I recommend to you, or you can also copy them if you want for the safety. But I would recommend to you to move it because we want to have more space on the internal storage. So just go on move. And now go back to the main view, this one here, scroll down a bit, then select here the SD card. And now I'm here on my SD card. As you can see, I have already some folders here, and I would really recommend this to you to create also some folders, because if you have a lot of data mixed up, like pictures and videos all together and so on, pictures, videos, documents and so on all together, then you may lose the overview. Don't lose the overview, create some folders. You can do this here at the 3 points, and here you have the point create folder. Then you can create some folder to have a better overview. And I've created already a DCIM folder. I have also a camera folder. So, and this is the folder I want to transfer my pictures and videos in. Then go just here on move here, and the phone is transferring all the data now here on my SD card. Let me show you something more. For that I go back to the internal storage. By the way, you can tap also on the folder with the house in it. Then you're always also back here on the main view. Let me go back to the internal storage, because the same thing we have done with some files, we can do also with folders. So if I long press here a folder, like the DCIM folder, I can move them also right now. Same with download folder and so on. You can do the same thing. And yeah, as you can see, pretty easy. Yeah, let me show you something more, because that you don't have this work all the time to transfer your pictures and videos and so on. You can do this also here automatically. Just go here on the camera. Then go here on the settings symbol, scroll down a bit, and here we will have the point storage location. And this storage location should be changed to the SD card, because that means that your future pictures going directly, as your pictures and videos you have done with your camera, these pictures will go in the future directly then to your SD card, and that saves a lot of time. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.